Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I just wanted to shoot a quick video on how to reset your 2020 Chevy MyLink radio to factory settings. So what you're going to do is you're going to hit the settings tab right here. You're going to make sure you're under the system tab. We're going to scroll down into the bottom and we can return to factory settings. Now, if you're having a problem hooking up your phone, I would suggest that you reset vehicle settings and erase all your personal data. But for that, there we go. So we just reset that, and now we can do our settings. And that is erased as well. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevy. Thanks for watching my video. You guys have a great day.